Hi everyone, this is Praktis Sumatif, paper 1, question number 9. So we need to find the quantity of 4 digits number that can be formed if the digits are used without repetition. So from the number formed, we have to find the number of 4-digit numbers that are greater than 6,000. So we have to form 4-digit number, 1, 2, 3, 4. Out of this 6 number. All right, so we have 6, 5, 4, 3, or we can write 6. We just need to permute any of the 4. So let's find out what is the answer. 6p4. That is 360. Okay, and next we answer the question. Out of these 360 numbers, how many of them greater than 6,000? So if it's greater than 6,000, okay, we have special condition imposed here. That means the first digit to be filled in here must be 6. Okay, there is only one way you can fill in the first empty slot. And therefore, the remaining 5 digits, we can just put any of the digits in. So we have 5 choices in the second empty slot, left with 4 choices, 3 choices. Therefore, 5 times 4 times 3. That is 20 times 3, 60 ways. So we have 60 ways here. Okay, and that is for part A. Part B. Let's see, what is part B? Odd numbers and greater than 6,000. Okay, it has to be odd and greater than 6,000. So greater than 6,000 means 6 must be in. And then odd digit, if it is odd, the one at the back must be filled in with either 1, 3, or 5. Okay? Therefore, there is only one way to fill in the first empty slot, and there are 3 ways to fill in the last empty slots. And we have used up the 2 digits out of the 6 digit given, so left with 4. That means we left with 4 choices to fill in the second empty slot and 3 choices to fill in the third empty slot. Therefore, 1 times 4 times 3 times 3. So 3 times 3 is 9, 9 times 4 is 36. 36 is the answer. All right, that's it for question number 9.